Today we're stepping inside behind the scenes, looking at a brand new home that's still under construction. Okay, if I wasn't a realtor, my second job would be a builder because I absolutely love seeing how homes come together. Now, I know it might not look glamorous just yet. No granite countertops or shiny floors here, but this is exactly where the magic begins. This stage here is one of the most important parts of the home building process. Let's talk about phase one, framing the dream. What you're looking at are the bones of the house. This is called the framing stage. The foundation's been poured, and now the framing crew has put up the studs that shape each room, doorway, and hallway. You can literally walk through the floor plan and the walls to start visualizing how it's all going to come together. Every opening you see, like these windows and doors, are placed with precision to match the blueprint. This is when buyers can really start to feel the flow of their future home. Phase two, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. Next up, we've got what's called the rough-in phase. You'll see electric wiring running through the studs, plumbing pipes in the walls and floors, and ducts for heating and cooling systems going into place. This is the point where licensed pros, electricians, plumbers, HVAC techs come in and they do their thing. Everything gets inspected before any drywall goes up. And trust me, this stage is crucial for long-term comfort and safety. Inspections and quality control. Now, you might be wondering, how do we know it's all done correctly? Well, before moving on to the next step, multiple inspections are done by the city or county to make sure everything meets code. Nothing moves forward until it passes, which is a good thing. Now, as the homeowner, you also have the right to walk the different phases of the construction site and have your inspector come along for those extra eyes on the work that is being completed. What comes next? Well, once inspections are passed, it's time for installation, drywall, and really all the fun stuff, right? Like paint, flooring, cabinetry, countertops. This is when the house really starts to feel like home. And just like that, in a few short weeks or months, this construction site will be a beautiful move-in ready home. So from start to finish can take anywhere between 6 to 8 months to build a home from the ground up. If you're thinking about building a new home or just curious about the process, this is a great example of what to expect. There's something really special about watching a home come together from the ground up. If you want more information on new construction homes here in Florida or want me to help you find the perfect builder, just drop a comment below or reach out anytime. I'd love to be a part of your journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future tours and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.